Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to select Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code. So for us to be able to begin, we need to launch the Visual Studio Code on your system. Now right after, we need to open the command palette. So here onto the upper part, to open this, you'll just need to type in this key in here. So right after, you should be able to find it in there, Python select interpreter, or if you're not seeing that, since this one is recently used onto my system, then you could go ahead and type this one out. So you should be able to see the Python select interpreter in here. You'll just have to click onto that. And then right after, once you have selected that, this action will prompt Visual Studio Code to display a list of available Python interpreters that it has detected onto your system. So I have two as of the moment right now. This one is the recommended, and we have the global in here. So you could click on to create virtual environment as well in here to go ahead and create one. But since we have the necessary files in here, we're going to go ahead and click onto which one is recommended. So this one is the recommended. We're going to go ahead and click onto that. And then right after, you'll just need to wait for the installation. So since I have installed it already, it will not prompt me to do anything. But if this one is selected, there are some times that it will require additional components or dependencies to be installed. Usually you should be able to see something in here onto the bottom part, and you may need to go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. So right after that, to go ahead and check if it has been changed already, to confirm that the interpreter is working correctly, you can create a new Python file or open an existing one in Visual Studio Code. So let's try to open a file in here. So this Python file in here. So once opened, Visual Studio Code should recognize the Python syntax and provide suggestions, linting, and other language features if this is successfully installed. And that is just basically it on how you select a Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.